When a person dies, the person's estate is liable for federal estate tax on the person's gross estate minus allowed deductions. Property previously transferred to an irrevocable trust generally isn't included in the gross estate. But in Old Colony Trust Company v. United States, we explore an exception to that rule. When John Cunningham created an inter vivos trust, or one by a living person to benefit another, he designated himself as trustee for life. The trust was to benefit Cunningham's adult son, who was to receive 80% of the trust income, with the remainder going to the trust principal, or corpus. Article 4 of the trust terms gave trustees discretion to increase payable income for illness or accommodation of changed circumstances. It also allowed trustees to stop paying the son for any period if doing so was in his best interests. Additionally, under Article 7, trustees had broad administrative powers authorizing them to generally take any action regarding trust property. When Cunningham died, the government claimed he had reserved powers to himself as trustee that effectively gave him unfettered control over disposition of the trust property, like an owner. Consequently, the government imposed estate tax on the trust principal. Cunningham's executor, Old Colony Trust Company, paid the tax but then sued the government, seeking a refund. The district court held in the government's favor. Old Colony appealed to the First Circuit.